I'm super excited that you decided to take Deck Ikigai Assistant for a spin. Thank you for watching my masterclass. In the masterclass, you see my full process, and you're probably wondering, but how can I implement it? Yes, it was fantastic, but now I'm so excited to find my Deck Ikigai, and most importantly, I'm so excited to look at my existing content, and based on what I'm going to find, turn my existing content that currently collecting digital dust into the first or next cash collecting card deck. And this is why I created Deck Ikigai Assistant. All you have to do is click on one of the orange links here or click on the image itself in your email, and that will bring you to Deck Ikigai Assistant. And this is how it's going to look like. It will guide you step by step. The way I designed it, it will show you the progress where you are. It will have the checklist for you so you know you completed all the steps that required. And then it will cheer you on and congratulate you every time you complete a small milestone. At the beginning, it will welcome you. It will explain that this Deck Ikigai was created based on my methodology, and it will invite you to check out Oracle Cards Magic membership if you're ready to do that. Currently, normally membership is closed, but it is going to be open for a few weeks just because of this event. If you, for any reason, watching it and clicked on the membership and it brings you into the wait list, all it means that it is closed at that time and will be reopened at some point of time. So join the wait list and you'll be first to know when it is going to be reopened. But let's really go and dig here and see how that works. As I said, it will guide you step by step. For the sake of time, because of this demonstration, I'm going to skip first phase and I'm just going to say I already completed phase one because I want to show you something important for phase two, okay? And we'll say, please move to phase two. Do not do that. This is just for demonstration purposes. So it will mark that I completed the phase one and it will move into phase two, okay? So it will ask you to make a decision. How much time do you have right now? Do you want to do quick scan research? Do you want to do standard research or deep dive, which will take a little bit longer? I recommend that you actually take the deep dive research. But for the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to go to quick scan and show you a few tips and tricks that you can use with this assistant. So I'm just going to say, let's do A. Okay. And it's going to start asking you the question. It will give you the checklist. So we're going to go, so you've done number one, and it's asking you to conduct Google Trends and Amazon search, okay? It will guide you to go to Google Trends. So we're going to go here. And it will also ask you what is that your deck is going to be about. And it will ask you to put in that information in the related query. So in this case, I already done some research and I did some words like midlife, perimenopause, and menopause. And I put it in within 90 days. And then I'm going to also do it as a 90 days. I'm going to download this. Okay. And then I'm also going to go, actually, I'm going to do it as a screenshot. And let's just take a screenshot. I'll tell you why, because you might want to ask assistant to assist you in interpreting results. So you're going to put it here, one, and I'm going to also change it to 12 months. And I'm going to do a quick screenshot again. And I'm going to put it in chat as well. Okay, so what I can say is that, can you help me to interpret this results? And you can do the same with Amazon search as well. So the reason I wanted to show you is sometimes when we never use this tool, it could be confusing of what is happening and what are you doing. But if you are actually going to use this tool and put all this information in, like, screenshots, this assistant will assist you in interpreting those results as well. So it's giving you graph one, graph two, so it will give you all of the information. So in other words, my tip for you, if you have already done ideal client avatar work, if you already know your audience very well, just download, maybe you have a documents like I do of my ICA, just upload those documents and let it see what you have so it can actually help you much better, okay? In case if you are brand new and you just, or maybe you pivot into different niche, or maybe you want to explore a completely different niche specifically for card decks, then follow step by step and answer all of the questions. It will also provide you with some worksheets and some questions that you can quickly copy as well. By the way, every time you can also quick copy here, right here. And when you quick copy, you can simply paste it into your Google Docs. So this way you have everything organized. If you want, if you need to stop and pause or anything like that, you can do that as well. I am so excited that you decided to take Card Deck Ikigai for a spin. I am super excited that you are doing it with me. If you have any questions, just reply to this email or any of my emails that you will be receiving. I am sending emails daily and I would love to add a lot of value. I also share a lot of stories from my life and insights as well. And most importantly, when you decide on your topic for your cards, and let me know because I'm very curious to see what are other different topics and all the different card decks people are creating. Thank you so much again. I can't wait to see you inside your inbox. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reply. I'll be happy to answer those ones.